Python is the most popular and fastest growing programming language that is trusted by companies such as Google, Instagram, Netflix, Dropbox, Uber, and Lyft. There has never been a better time to learn Python as it is a high demand skill for major employers and large tech companies and startups. This course is catered for the absolute beginner with no programming knowledge or those who know another language and are looking to learn Python 3. The course helps you to learn Python as quickly and efficiently as possible, covering all basic topics, and is chock full of hands-on practice challenges and fully explained solutions. Hi, I am Leah Sam, a professional software developer and solution architect and online instructor with over 2 decades of industry experience working for Fortune 500 companies. Let's get started learning Python 3 programming today. See you in the course.